This single indicator could turn your trading strategy into a money printing powerhouse. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. Hey traders, I hope you're going extremely well. My name's David and welcome back to my channel where we go through profitable trading strategies. Today we're going to be looking back on Wednesday's trading strategy and we're going to be adding one of my favorite indicators to see if we can make it any better. Now obviously members from the David Tech group are probably going to guess what the indicator is, and guys, yes, it is Friday, so maybe it looks a bit lazy, but I absolutely believe that this indicator is one of the best at moving all of those little tiny bad trades that are losing you money. Although it won't improve immensely your trading strategy, profit in my pocket is still in my pocket, so it's good for me and I hope it's going to be good for you guys too. So I'm going to be adding the stiffness indicator to the Williams strategy. I'm going to go very quickly through all of the indicators involved and how they work, but if you're interested in full details about the whole strategy, I will link it at the end of this video so you'll be able to see how the strategy works in full. Right, so I guess the best thing to do is get straight over to my computer. Let's have a look at today's strategy and how the stiffness indicator is either going to improve it or make it worse, I guess. Let's go. Okay, here we are on TradingView. We're on the 1 hour time frame on BTC USDT using Bybit for data. As you can see, I have already loaded the equity curve from the best settings that I found on the most recent setups. We have a net profit of 1,700% and the equity curve looks brilliant already. We only have a maximum drawdown of 16% on 12x leverage as the strategy is at the moment, which is very good for a leverage trading strategy. We have a profit factor of 2, but the great thing about this strategy is it actually works on multiple coin pairs. I went through on Friday a couple of coin pairs that it worked on. This one is Ethereum. We have a setup which has made 749% and has had 338 closed trades, and the max drawdown is still pretty low at 20%. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by going through very quickly the indicators involved in this trading strategy, and then I'm going to add the stiffness index to see if we can actually improve it. Okay, so here is the chart with all of the indicators on it that are involved currently at the moment. We are using the David Tech plan, which is based on NNFX. Most of the strategies inside of David Tech are based on trend following or breakout strategies. We follow very simple rules using a baseline for the trend direction, so an indicator to give us a trend direction, which we call the baseline. We then add confirmation indicators to confirm our entries, and then we add a volume or a volatility indicator, just once again to confirm that there's enough movement in the markets for us to take a trade. Finally, we then add an indicator to set a stop loss, and we use risk to reward to set our take profits. So in this indicator, this is our baseline. It's the Acom trend. All of these indicators you'll be able to find directly on davidtech.com. The link will be down in the description. Press on 3 indicators up here and you'll be able to find all of the indicators that I'm talking about. You can also trade them with bots or add the actual full strategy to TradingView directly on the website. All the links are down in the description below. So back to the chart, we have the trend Acom here, which is this indicator here. When the trend Acom is green and the price is above it, we're looking for longs. When it is red and price is below, we're looking for shorts. Next indicator we're adding for confirmation is the Williams percentile range, which is this indicator here. As before, you'll be able to find it on davidtech.com in the free section here. By adding it to your favorites, you'll be able to search for it in indicators on TradingView up here, and you'll be able to add it to your chart free of charge. For our entry confirmation, we're looking for the Williams percentile range to be above this MA, the WPR being this purple line, this being a moving average, the white line. We're looking for the WPR to be above the moving average to take longs, therefore the background being green, and we're looking for the WPR to be below the moving average, printing a red background to take shorts. So as you can see, we have an entry which would have been around this area here. Our final indicator would have been the cop-pop curve. And our final indicator is the cop-pop. And the final and our final indicator is the cop-pop curve. Got it. Which is this indicator here by David Tech. As you can see, when above the green and above the 0 line, the indicator turns green, meaning we can confirm our entry, confirming there's enough movement in the market for us to take an entry. So once all 3 of these are aligned like they are now, we have a green Acom trend, we have the WPR in green, and the cop-pop curve has printed green as well. We can enter a long on the following candle. We're going to set our stop loss to ATR bands, setting the settings to 2.5. And we're going to set our stop loss to these ATR bands, and we're going to have ours to take profits as 1.5. Now, unfortunately, this one would have been a loss, guys, but there you go, guys. Even when I cherry pick them, sometimes we don't cherry pick the right entries. Okay, guys, so that's our entries here. So as you can see from the equity curve, this strategy alone looks absolutely amazing, but I want to try and filter out some bad trades and make it even better. So I've added one of my favorite indicators, which is the stiffness index. The stiffness index indicator is this one here by David Tick. Is this indicator here. The stiffness index is the yellow line. The red line is our threshold. We're going to put the threshold really very, very low at the moment at 10, because we don't want to filter out too many trades. We just want to filter out those really low hanging fruit that we do not want to enter. The really bad trades where we shouldn't have entered with the other indicators, but we did. We just want to remove the really bad ones to make this trading strategy from good to absolutely amazing. As you can see, it rarely gets below that 10. I think you can even take it all the way down to 5 to see how that works as well. But as you can see, it really does rarely go below it, but it removes any really bad trades down the bottom here, making this trading strategy, I hope, like I said, from good to excellent. Right, I'm going to go away now and code it, adding this indicator to our strategy. I'm going to find the best settings, and I will share them here with you in a couple of seconds. Let's go.
Come on, David, and once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. Come on, David, show us what you got.
Okay guys, the backtesting results are in, but before I go over to my computer to share the backtesting results with you, I'd love to share this Excel spreadsheet that we've built here on David Tick. Gives you a overview of all of the strategies that the elite backtesters from our group have come up with the best settings. In this spreadsheet, you'll be able to find the win rate and all of the wonderful metrics that you'll be able to find on TradingView from the backtest. But not only that, you'll be able to see how it's performing on live trades currently at the moment. You'll be able to see the 7-day, 30-day and 90-day performance, how many live trades it's taken, the incubation data, and loads of really interesting data. You can also press on it. You'll also be able to see the screenshots that our bot has been taking from TradingView since the very beginning to compare against the actual backtesting results. Right, let's get over to the backtesting results and see whether the stiffness index has made any difference whatsoever. Right, okay, I hope you have a photography memory. This was before. Drum roll, please. Boom! Right, by adding the stiffness index, we have increased the net profit by around 200%. And by removing around 20 to 30 trades, we've actually increased the win rate by at least 1%. Our profit factor has increased by 0.1, which is amazing, and our max drawdown is almost 1% down. Now I know that these may seem extremely small.
That's what she said.
And some people might be worried about overfitting. Of course, I will put these into live trading so you'll be able to see how the results evolve over time. And for me, just by adding this indicator, it just means that we're adding a little bit more profit into our pockets and not giving them to all of these market manipulators and anything else that you may believe in who are stealing the money from us retail traders. Let's now have a look at Ethereum and see if it's actually improved the Ethereum results. Take a photographic shot. Here we go. Boom. Right. This one has actually improved by over 100%, which is absolutely brilliant. It's removed around 30 trades, and our win rate has also increased around 1%. The profit factor is also up by 0.1, and we've decreased very slightly the max drawdown by 0.5. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that one. I do realize that it's only a slight difference, a slight improvement, but every single improvement is an improvement and profit in your pocket and not somebody else's. Without further ado, I have one last thing to do, and that is to give away 1 million bonk to a random comment on YouTube. Okay, we're going to be giving away 1 million bonk to a random comment from this video here. There were 28 comments. Let's go. Guys, once a week I'm going to be giving away $500 to the most viewed clip of this video or any video of David Tick from this week. Whoever has the most viewed TikTok or YouTube short using this video or the videos from this week, I will send you $500. This is every week and going to be going on throughout the whole of this month and probably for the foreseeable future. You can post as many times as you want. You must tag my TikTok or YouTube username, and you must add David Tech in the title and in the description. I look forward to seeing all your clips, and I look forward to seeing the winners. Let's go. Boom, congratulations to you. You've just won 1 million bonk. And without further ado, guys, I'm going to wish you an absolutely wonderful weekend. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, keep safe, trade like a boss, and I will see you on Monday. Goodbye.
Come on, David, and once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. RSI and MACD.